Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Motari, and I want to take you through our understanding Prezi, a guide to dynamic presentations. So to do that, you need to get to the browser, and I like using uh, Microsoft Edge. Type the word Prezi, www.prezi.com, and search. Back here, you can search, and once you search, it will bring something like this. Therefore, you need first of all to create an account with outlook.com. It must be your, for example, mod 2017 at outlook.com, or you can use the Mwalimu. If you are a teacher, use you are given your two names, the last two digits of your TSC number at mwalimu.tsc.go.ke. So after that, now it will bring this as the landing page. So click on Prezi AI presentations to engage. So I'm just saying Prezi is a cloud-based presentation software that transforms how you create and share visual content. It offers also a dynamic canvas to help you zoom in and out on various elements. It makes your presentations more engaging and memorable. Briefly, what I'm saying is that it should bring any idea to life. So as you get there, get to the top right hand side corner and sign up or register, then later you log in. Um, Here on your far left is a new presentation. So if you click on new presentation, it will give you four options. So one, create with AI, create from template. That is a template that's already done, or you start from scratch. Maybe I like using create from a template that is already done, so that you are able to work on very quickly. So you can just see those first presentations. Very many. If I can scroll down, yeah, so there are so many. So if you want, for example, to search for education matters, if you're a teacher, just search for education, and therefore it will bring something like that. So you can pick your own category, either education, business, engineering, or whatever you want to. So it has given me 288 presentations. That means I can work on any. So on again on these, and this is that I think you can just pick what one of them. Let me pick on for those who like um, so let me pick on the marketing strategy. Okay, if I can decide to have a different one. Let me pick on the template, this one here, and therefore it's giving me an option of using with AI. So I'll click on use this template, click on use this template, and make it public, because very many other people would like to use it, because you're an educator, somebody who's using it. So click on continue, so that you can now have the avatar, the first avatar, to bring a presentation for you. Wait for a few minutes or few seconds. Therefore, there are so many categories here. There are so many categories. So you can decide to have the slide section here. So this is just the overview page. You can add the title. If I were you, I'll just say, for example, I'm clicking on the world. Yes, subtitle. And I'll write something like once you double click on this, you can just write our world, our world, or so what, universe, universe. Then you can decide to have the font raised to if you click on that at the far end of the corner, you can enlarge the so that the letters of the font is much bigger. So that is the subtitle. Continue. That is I've done on the first slide. So it just worked like PowerPoint, but the only difference between PowerPoint and Prezi is that Prezi is very interactive. So you can continue adding the frame. So you can decide to use a particular style, the text, color, and the background. Let me give an example. Background can that is, the background is black for me. I feel that the universe should look like that. So maybe I can decide to use media. In this case, media can be image, videos, stickers, charts, audio, including music as in audio or your voiceover. And then you can also use the charts, shapes of different colors, and story blocks if you want them to look that way. And then to move particular point, you can use that one. And if you also want to animate them, how you want these slides to move like. And if, for example, you want to go to more, then you can talk of planet, topic, page, topic, presenter, notes. You can also have the notes there. And again, as your library, we'll come to that one later. But for now, I want us to move to the next one. So once you are through with the first slide, you can even write presenter notes or put a simple audio or sound or music. Get to the second slide. The second slide, your first point, shape. You can also talk, for example, shape of the world, and put a few notes. Put a few notes. Put a few notes. For example, tell people that the shape of the world below here. You can even decide to make it slant. You can decide to have it styling, italics, that is, or have it straight. And you can even change the color, how it looks like on that part. If you feel that black is okay, you can leave it for the purpose of making sure that it's what is able to be seen. So you can see as we move, you add, for example, whatever you want here. You just say, for example, the world the world is spherical. For the teachers of social studies, you can learn and add so many other things. You can add a link if you want. You can add a link from the internet for them to search more and get, for example, here you can click and just say the world. So a child can get notes on the world. If you are not how the world looks like, the notes are here, news about the world. You can click and get a link. If you copy a link, come back to Prezi, and in fact where you place it, paste that link. If you feel it's very big, very long, you get to tiny cc dot cc, and you shorten the link and have it there. Shorten that link and copy it, then paste it to where the learners will get it so that they read more about that. Get to the third and that slide and write about uh, for example, land land forming processes. So if you have some notes about land forming processes and you have created a link, then you go back to land forming processes. So you type landforms, for example. So once you click on the landforms, you can click on the source, for example here. So it's search. You can search somewhere on the landforms. For example, there is Earth eclipse, and it has given you the notes. So what you do, you can copy, copy that, and also send it to copy the link, right click, copy that link, get to URL, paste, and then shorten it, and then you copy that link, put it on the shape of the earth. So down here there is an option where you can have your link, so the children can click on that link and continue reading more about that. So you can do that literally to whole uh, the whole frames, that is the frames that you have already here. And then on your far end, so let me assume that I've completed. The good thing about Prezi is that once you deal with the work you've completed writing on something, so it just automatically saves. So you can decide also to have a video, and the video can be embedded into the system. So what you do once you are through, come to present. So let's see